Hi, it's Torsten Lange, founder and director of the Reiki Academy in London, Hay House author for Reiki, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you at the upcoming workshop at the Mind, Body, Spirit Festival. Often when we practice Reiki, we look at our hands. We place our hands on either ourselves or somebody else, and we look at the results. This is why Reiki is so famous, because it really brings results. But what if we look in the other direction? We place our hands, and rather than observing what's happening there, what they're doing, we trace the energy back. We trace the energy up our arms, into our body, and, well, into something deeper. When we do this, we may have a moment where we feel we kind of enter a different dimension, a higher dimension. We enter the realm of Reiki. We enter the realm where Reiki is the natural state of being, healing, light, and harmony. And this is what we are going to do in this workshop, to explore this together, to learn and uncover how it works to work on this deeper level, to not just observe and watch what's happening when we place our hands, but to be completely connected to this level and to realize this is the dimension where healing really occurs. We'll be using a number of very simple but very, very profound techniques. Original techniques from when Reiki started in Japan in the 1920s up to very new contemporary ideas, but all within the traditional framework of Reiki. So that even for very experienced practitioners, I'm sure there will be moments of, well, enlightenment, moments of feeling the light within, and as a result, your healing will be on a completely different level. It is so reassuring to realize what Reiki really is and what we are connected to. And if you're quite new to Reiki, if you've just done Reiki 1 a while ago, you will still be able to go deeper and opening up more and more to the real power of Reiki. It will be a fantastic, really interactive workshop with lots of like-minded people, and I'm so looking forward to seeing you there.